Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the most important theory question that you need to study for your SEM 6 under the subject Innovative Financial Services. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM 6 students. So in this video, we are going to basically talk about two parts. One, the long answers which are important from the exam point of view, and secondly, the short notes. So those who are going to attempt under question number 5 short note, for them the short note questions are very important. Those who are going to attempt the long answers are very important. Okay. So chalo, let us see module wise. Okay, which are the most important topics that you need to cover up for your examination. Okay, under module 1, the first set of questions are: describe the objectives of financial services, number 1. Second, what are the characteristics of financial services? Third, explain the problems in financial service sector. And fourth, what are the financial services, and explain any 6 fund-based financial services. This is module 1, part 1 of module 1. These are the 4 questions which are very important from the exam point of view. You all can go through it once. Okay. Next, describe the role of agency that provide financial services in the market. Next, what is forfeiting, and explain the benefits and drawbacks. Next is what is forfeiting, and explain the benefits and drawback. Forfeiting, two different terms, okay? And lastly, distinguish between factoring and bill discounting. So under module 1, these are the 8 most important topics that you need to cover up. You can go through it once. Okay, next, under module number 2, the first set of questions: what are the services provided by the merchant bank? What is the registration process to be appointed as a banker to the issue? Describe the role and responsibility of the banker to the issue. So these are the 3 based on merchant bank and bankers. Then we have explain the participants in derivative market and the types of derivative contracts. Then what is future contract, and explain the characteristic. And lastly, explain the registration process for a stock broker. Again, these are the first set of questions under module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next. List out the functions of stockbroker. What is clearing member, and explain the function and types of clearing members. Next, we have explained the process of securitization with the help of the diagram. Very important. Next, we have defined securitization and the benefits. Next, who are the players in securitization process, and describe, or you can even have described the role of various parties involved in it. And lastly, why securitization is not popular in India. Module 2, the number of questions are much more as compared to any other module. Very important, okay? Acha, one more thing. All those questions, the long majority of the questions which we have in the long answers, under short notes, they might get repeated. Okay. So that is one plus point if you learn the long answers. Okay, next, module number three. Write down the benefits of leasing services or, define lease and explain any six types of lease. Next, you have distinguish between financial lease and operating lease, very important. Okay, next you have elaborate on the sources of funds for housing finance company and what are the reason for high demand in India or what are the reason for high demand in Indian housing finance market. These are the first set of question under module 3. You all can go through it once. Next, explain the issues in housing finance sector. Next is explain the housing finance agencies in India. Next, explain the features of venture capital. Next, we have what are the various disinvestment mechanism for a venture capital firm. And lastly, discuss the stages of venture capital finance. Okay, next, module number 4. What is consumer finance and what are the sources of consumer finance? Next, what are the terms of consumer finance? Third, what are the types of consumer finance? And fourth, explain the reasons for growth of consumer finance. Okay, these are the first set of questions under module 4. Next, explain various types of plastic cards. Explain in detail frauds and misuses of plastic money. Third, describe the types of credit cards. Okay, this will describe the types of credit cards. Next is what are the advantages and limitations of credit ratings. Wait, this is not types. Okay, describe the merits of credit card or the advantages. This is supposed to be advantages. Okay, just right here. This is the advantages of credit card. Okay, next is what are the advantages and limitations of credit rating. And lastly, describe the process of credit rating. Okay. Now comes the short. So those are all the long answer question important from the exam point of view. Now we have the short notes. The first set of short notes are now many questions are already repeated from the long answers. Okay, like role of NBFCs. Next is foreign brokers, pass through certificate and pass through and pay through certificates, regulatory framework for financial services, factoring costs. These are from long answer. Problems in financial service from long answer. Stock brokers. Okay, these are the first set of short notes. Next, National Housing Banks, benefits of credit cards, credit rating agency, special sub underwriting brokers, purpose vehicle, smart cards, process of credit rating, recourse and non-recourse factoring, very important, bankers to the issue, and National Housing Bank contract. These are the second set of questions under short notes. Okay, and last, bill market scheme, banking and non-banking companies, sub stock brokers, types of lease, sources of consumer finance, and derivative trading. Okay, so these are all the important topics on the short notes. Now, for my preference, because short notes under this particular subject, it comes from anywhere. So rather than doing short note, I would prefer attempting the long answer because then there are limited number of long answers. Short notes can come from anywhere, in at least in this particular subject. So I would have preferred long answers over short notes. Okay, again, it is your preference. That was my preference, which I've told you. Okay. So these are all the theoretical topics that you all need to cover up for this particular subject. So I hope everyone have noted it down. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.